Tools of TouchPaint.
Let's learn about the various tools of TouchPaint.
Paint tool. The paint tool is used to draw freehand or previously defined shapes. To use paint tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the paint tool. Step 2. Click on the brush pattern you like. Step 3. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 4.
Drag the mouse to draw a picture in the drawing canvas.
Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw different shapes like circle, square, triangle, etc.
In the drawing canvas.
To draw a shape, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool. Step 2. Click on the shape pattern you like. Step 3. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 4.
Drag the mouse to draw a picture in the drawing canvas.
Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the unnecessary part of the drawing from the drawing canvas. To use eraser tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool. Step 2.
Choose the eraser shape and size from the selector.
Step 3.
Drag the mouse to erase the unwanted part of the picture.
Lines tool. Lines tool helps us to draw straight lines. To draw a line, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Lines tool. Step 2. Click on the brush pattern you like from the selector. Step 3. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 4. Press the left mouse button and drag to make a line. Quit tool.
After finishing the drawing, you can save the file and quit the program using Quit tool.
Step 1. Click on the Quit tool. You will get a message as shown. Step 2. Click on Tick and save it.